In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to fix remote pairing issues on an Amazon Fire TV stick. To pair the remote, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds, or until the light at the top of your remote starts blinking rapidly. A message may appear on screen to say it has paired. If this doesn't work, we recommend replacing the batteries in your remote. For best performance, we suggest using new alkaline batteries. You can also try using your remote closer to the Fire TV stick. We recommend positioning the remote within 10 feet from the Fire TV stick. If the issue persists, try unplugging the device. Then, leave for 30 seconds and plug back in. Try to power up the Fire TV stick and pair the remote again. Alternatively, you can use the Fire TV app to pair the remote. To do this, download the Fire TV app on your mobile device and follow the instructions within the app to pair the remote. If there are multiple remotes paired with the TV, remove some of the other remotes and try pairing this remote again. To do this, go to Settings and select Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Then, select Amazon Fire TV Remotes. Highlight the remote that you would like to unpair and press the menu button on the remote that you would like to keep. Finally, press Select on the remote that you would like to keep using to remove the highlighted remote. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.